So, hi guys, hello and welcome back. Today we're doing nothing else other than a seafood boil. And by the way, guys, this is my first time doing seafood boil, and so I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be using in this seafood boil. Here we have about 2 pounds of shrimp. Some are frozen and peeled, the others has the skin on, but all of them are deveined. Then we have our crab, Dungeness crab. I have two. And then we have our sausage links right here. I just have two. And then I have some regular potatoes and some sweet yam potatoes. And then we have some corn. For our seasoning, we're going to be using this organic smoked paprika, some minced garlic, lemon pepper, garlic and parsley salt because I don't have parsley, some Italian seasoning, some chopped onions, garlic powder, Creole seasoning, ranch seasoning, some Himalaya pink salt, and then some onion seasoning. And also we have our butter over here, our 1 pack of melted Kerrygold butter. And this is my cooking tray, and voila, let's get this going.
Splice Originals.
guys, this is the end of the video, and as you can see, my seafood boil is all done. Look at that meat. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful it looks, guys. This food tastes amazing. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please go on and subscribe now. As you can see, my son is enjoying it, and so is my mom. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.